I was monetized on YouTube in just 3 months, and then bam, I was placed in YouTube jail. But don't worry, watch my video to the end and I will share all the juicy details. For those who don't know, the YouTube Partner Program is for creators like me and also potentially you who want to make money on ads, membership, super chats, and more. The qualifications for the YouTube Partner Program is to have at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the last 12 months. Why did I start YouTube? And perhaps you should consider a YouTube channel too. Well, I started doing research on what I could do in retirement. I have about 12 years left in clinical medicine. I saw the opportunity to educate and teach online. And so I started doing research and found that there are creators who are making incredible amount of revenue. Now, I'm not looking to have an incredible amount of revenue during retirement, but I want something to do and I want to be able to fund that hobby. There is a place for you on YouTube. And so if you're interested in educating people, sharing your knowledge, perhaps marketing your business, then you should have a YouTube channel. And I'm here to help you learn what I am learning through this process. So how much money can you make in all this? Well, I was shocked that when Dr. Mike, who's a young family care physician, shared that he makes over $10 million on his YouTube channel with over 10 million followers. Here's my strategy. I knew that I wanted to grow my subscriber base quickly. I wanted to get to 50,000 subscribers as quick as I can. The reason why is that being a medical professional, once I reach 50,000, I could submit an application to YouTube for the verification that I am a medical doctor. On my videos on YouTube, this pops up, which brings credibility to what I am sharing. To get to 50,000 quick, I was trying to do it organically and it was painful. Maybe one subscriber a week, maybe another one in a couple days. But then I noticed that YouTube just launched a YouTube promotions, which is basically Google ads on YouTube videos. And so it places your video next to other videos that are like your videos. Getting subscribers from this process, I've discovered they're low quality subscribers and they are typically just likely to like a video, subscribe because that's their nature. And what's interesting about that is that I can generate a lot of subscribers that way, but they don't have a lot of watch time hours.
Really? That sucks.
So something you have to be careful about is that you don't want to put all your YouTube videos into promotion because you'll have very low watch time and very little chance that those videos will actually go viral. So I just pick one long video and one short video, meaning that I know the audience for long video is different than the audience for short videos. Invest $2 a day, $1 in the long video, $1 in the short video per day, and see how fast it can grow. I was able to achieve the 1,000 subscribers in a matter of days. And then the 4,000 watch hours came later at 3 months, and I was accepted and started getting monetized. But I'll share at the end how much I made. I was able to get to 100,000 subscribers within 9 months.
Outstanding work!
I was ecstatic because only less than 0.5% of all YouTube channels achieve 100,000 subscribers. You can see that I have now my silver play button and I am so excited and teach you how to do this so that you can do it yourself. So how much did it cost me per subscriber? It only cost me 5 cents to gain one new subscriber from the promotions. That's a bargain. And that is super cheap in terms of return on investment. But the amazing thing is that if you look at the total 100,000 subscribers, it was only 2.5 cents per subscriber, which included both organic and subscribers from promotions.
That's amazing!
I think that's an incredible ROI. So there are people who are worried about organic growth if you're using the YouTube promotions. So when you sign up the YouTube promotions, Google will assign an account specialist who would then call you by phone and walk you through the process and give you advice and look at your channel. And so it's basically a free advertising consultant. They reassured me multiple times that the YouTube promotions or the advertising for new subscribers and also organic growth are two separate pathways. And that's true because if you check out this video that I did not pay ads for, you can see that the video is taken off. There's over 30,000 views. This video is my earthing and grounding and the science behind that video, and it's just growing organically and doing quite well. There's another short here that I created of babies who are seeing for the first time after getting new glasses. That took off and went viral and hit 8 million hits. So even though I paid for YouTube promotions through this entire time, at least $2 a day, it didn't hurt the organic growth of my channel. I know you're wondering, how did I get punished by YouTube? What is YouTube jail? What is this being suspended by the YouTube partner program? Well, what happened was at 6 months, I was getting a little obsessive about making videos. And so I was making too many videos. So then I cut back and I stopped making videos because I wanted to spend more time with life, with real life, with my wife, with my family, with my children. And what I wanted to do was find a way to produce videos and post videos on my YouTube shorts just to keep the channel alive. Well, I went to Fiverr and they were selling YouTube shorts. So I bought these canned YouTube shorts. They're high quality, they are interesting, and the problem is there's tons of people who have purchased these videos and posted them on their channel. So when YouTube reviewed my channel, I get an email and it says, YouTube has found that you're using reused content, and so therefore we're gonna demonetize your channel. And for punishment, there's gonna be 3 months.
All right, he's still fired, and you are going to jail.
Well, obviously I had a bunch of videos that were not my own that I purchased, and I put them on my channel, so therefore I took them all off, and then I waited 3 months. I resubmitted to YouTube and I got accepted back into the YouTube partner program. So therefore, if you make a mistake, YouTube wants to help you succeed as well. So I did not make revenue for 3 months. So keep in mind that when I share with you the revenue that I made this last year, it was without those 3 months. So really the revenue that I'm reporting to you is only 6 months worth of revenue. And so what's interesting is that once I got accepted, I still wasn't ready to make content because I was too busy with other things. Then I found artificial intelligence, or AI, ChatGPT and other tools, and I'll make another video to go through what I do. I also wanted to test if AI content can be considered as original work by YouTube. And so I had my voice cloned, I had AI software make these shorts, and let's check out this short and I'll show you what I mean.
Most people don't know why yawning is so contagious. The science behind it will blow your mind. One hypothesis is that we yawn to cool down our brain and increase alertness. But here's the cool part. Yawning is actually contagious because of empathy. When you see someone yawn, mirror neurons in your brain trigger a response, making you more likely to yawn too.
So that is my AI clone voice. That is AI created the footage. AI created the script, which then I edit, modified. So look at AI as being a helper. I was ecstatic. So now I can make videos on the fly. I can make videos in less than 10 minutes. And if I want a little bit more extra in the video, it could take me anywhere from 30 minutes to another 60 minutes to make a YouTube short. This is an incredible time saver because when I was doing this 9 months ago, sometimes it took 3 hours to produce a 45-second YouTube short. I am a newbie video editor. Everything I'm doing, I didn't know how to do before. I learned this on the fly. I learned this from YouTube. I learned this from other creators. So you can too if I can do it, guaranteed. And I did this as a side gig while I'm a full-time physician. My first month of being monetized on YouTube, I made a little over $139. And over a course of 9 months, remember 3 months of those were in suspension, YouTube jail, I made a little bit over $633. My most profitable short video made a little bit over $345. My most profitable long form video, which is the earthing grounding video, made a little bit over $144 for that one video. That video is still trending up, and so I continually make money every day on that video. This is an important point. When I saw that the fact that these videos are kind of like seeds that we plant in the ground. So imagine after 10 years of doing this, and when I retire from medicine, and if I'm producing all these medical videos and all these other videos, I am now planting seeds all over my channel that eventually in 2 years, 5 years, 10 years, I could have revenue generating trees of content, like an orchard. And that's my goal. That's not the complete financial picture. So you remember affiliate marketing. My affiliate marketing total is almost $1,306. Amazon also offers an affiliate program. And through that program, I made $435.32. In total, between YouTube and affiliate marketing, I made a total of $2,375.02. So the takeaway, YouTube is a great way to share your expertise, stay sharp, and potentially to make an income. So if you want to learn how to do this as a side gig, then please subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. Until next time, have a wonderful day.